Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So this is a part 2 guys, and in part 1 we have already discussed 10 questions. So we have solved 10 questions there, and in part 2 also we'll be solving 10 questions, but they are of a greater difficulty level. So the part 1 questions were quite easy and we have solved easily. So we'll try to solve these 10 set of questions which are displayed on the screen guys. Okay, so I hope you are able to see it properly. So I'll just zoom in a little. So okay. Alright, so now I think it's okay, yeah. So if you have not seen the part 1, then you can check the playlist guys, or else in a description I'll be leaving the link for that, so you can just play that one. Okay, yeah, fine. Alright guys, so let us start with our first question, and note that I have already opened the Oracle SQL Star Plus and I have got tables in this. Okay, so first of all I'll just show you the table. So if you want to check the tables present in your system, then you can just write select. Okay, so select star from tab. If you write, then all the tables which are present in your system will be displayed. So in my system there are 4 tables. One is department table, one is employee table, another one is bonus table, and another one is salary grade table. So I will be using employee table. All operations, all my questions are based on employee table. So I will just display first the contents of employee table guys. So I will write select. Okay, so I'll write select star from emp. So if I write like this, then I will be getting all the details of employee table. So I will be having these columns. I have these columns: employee number, employee name, job. So basically employee number means employee ID, e name means employee name, job means designation of the employees, mgr. Okay, so that is also okay, so fine, that is not that not important guys, so that's why I left that one. After that, hire date is having, and salary is there, commission is there, and department number. Note that only few people have got commission, and the blank spaces indicates that undefined. 0 is another and undefined is another guys. So if I do any operations with undefined, the result will be undefined itself. Okay, so that's why if I add 0 plus 1, the answer will be 1, but if I add undefined plus 1, the answer will be undefined, because I don't know the value of undefined. How I can say that undefined plus 1 will be this or that? So that's why its answer is undefined itself. So don't worry about these things right now. We'll be having these kind of scenarios in upcoming sessions. There we will discuss. Okay, so for right now I will be having 10 questions which are basically focusing on this employee table. Okay, so just see it here guys, and you need to remember these things, that is what are all the column names, and same column names we have to use in our queries, otherwise it will throw error. Okay, let us start with first question. Write a query to display name of the employees along with their annual salary. So first query is to display the names of the employees, that is this one, and with along with that I need to display annual salary. So here it is monthly salary guys, and I need to calculate with the help of some mathematical operations the annual salary. How we are going to do that one will see. Annual salary means 12 month salary, right? So if I multiply 1 month salary with 12, I'll be getting the annual salary. The same thing I'm going to do here guys. See how. Select first one, I want to display name, employee name. Okay, so e name I will write. After that, comma, salary into 12. If I do, it will display annual salary, and I can give alias name for that one. Okay, so from emp, first I will show you without alias name, after that we'll see with alias name. Okay, so something is wrong guys, from keyword not found here. Okay, so it is, I have written FIOM. Okay, so select e name comma sal into 12. Okay, so I will write now from, and I will write emp. So if I write something like this, we'll get employee name and sal into 12. Sal into 12 is basically the annual salary. So if I want to replace this sal into 12 by annual salary, how I can write that one? So with the help of alias we can write, just see how I will write, select, select. Okay, so select employee name, after that sal into 12 with one space in double quotes. What I have to write, whatever the column name you want to give it to this one. So as it is calculating the annual salary, I want to give it as annual salary. Okay, so I will close the double quotes here. So once I close double quotes, on the second line I can write, in second line I can write from emp. So if I write something like this, then you can see this sal into 12 has been replaced with the annual salary. So it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so the one who is seeing this table will be able to understand that, okay, so this particular column is displaying annual salary. So that we can do with the help of this alias statement. Whatever operations you want to perform, just perform, and in after that, with one space, you have to write in double quotes whatever string you want to display here. Okay, so that I have taught in my theory class, guys. You can just refer the SQL classes which will be there in the playlist again. Yes, done with first question, guys. Yeah. Now second question, write a query to display employee name and job for all the employees with their half term salary. So see here, first we need to display employee name, after that their designation or job for all the employees with their half term salary, and along with this I need to display half term salary. So half term is basically 6 months, full term means 12 months, and half term is 6 months. Okay, so I just want to display employee name, after that their job, and 6 months salary. So how I can write, guys? Okay, so I'll just clear the screen once. Clear SCR, if you write, then screen will be clear. So select employee name. Okay, so employee name, after that I want to display job, after that half term salary. So sal into 6 if I do, and in double quotes I will write, okay, so half term salary, and I will close the double quote. Okay, so I will write from emp. All this data has to be fetched from employee table. So if I write something like this, you will get employee name, job, half term salary. Okay, so these are the things, guys. Like this you can write, right? So third question, now write a query to display all the details of the employees along with annual bonus of 2000. So I need to display all the details of employees with annual bonus of 2000, guys. So this is kind of tricky questions where we'll be using new technique which says that we'll be giving full control of our table. So what you will be generally doing, like if they are asking for all the details, then you will write select. So this is the wrong way, guys. I will just show you. SELECT, select star, and after that you will put one comma here. Okay, so this will display all the details. Select star, after that they are asked for bonus, right? So we'll add something like this, salary plus okay, so annual bonus they are asking, then salary into 12 plus 2000. So this will be adding, so this will first calculate the annual salary, salary into 12, after that it will add 2000 bonus to that one. They will be writing like from emp, but this will not give output, guys. This will throw error because I will explain you. Okay, so this is throwing error, right? So from keyword not found where expected. So always remember that after star there if I write something like any other argument, it is not allowed in SQL. So whatever you want to write, you have to write before star itself. So if you write select star, then it is the end of that line, okay, or end of that statement. So before star you have to write anything which you want to write. Okay, so how I can modify the present query now? See, what you can write is, first one select, after that write the table name. Okay, so write the table name as emp, and you have to write dot emp dot, and you have to write star. So if I write like this, select emp dot star, that means I am giving the complete control of this emp table. That means display all the details of this emp table. After that, now you can give whatever you want to give as the another argument. Now it will accept another argument. Okay, so again, guys, sal into 12, and I will write plus 2000, and with one space I will write salary with bonus. Salary with bonus I will write, and I will write from emp. I want to fetch all this data. Okay, so if I hit enter, then you can see all my details are present. First, all the details: employee number, employee name, job, hire date, salary, commission, and department number. After that, one more column is being added here which says salary with bonus. So this is added, guys. Okay, so first it will calculate annual salary, and for that annual salary it will add 2000. Okay, so important, guys, if you want to display all details along with that, if you want to add one more column like this which I have added just now, you have to use select emp dot star form. Okay, so then only it will allow the second argument to be written, otherwise it will throw error as I've shown you, right? So now I'll just clear the screen, guys. Again, clear screen. Okay, clear screen. Yes. Okay, third question is done, guys. Now fourth one, write a query to display name, salary and salary with a hike of 10%. So what I want to display is I want to display name, salary and salary with hike of 10%. So you all know that 10% hike means for salary I need to add 10 divided by 100. Okay, so hike of 10% means salary plus salary into 10 divided by 100. So this math I hope you know. Yes, so this will be something like this. I'll just show you. Okay, so with marker I will try to write, guys. Okay, so salary with 10% hike means basically the total salary SAL will be equal to, so this is the total salary for original salary we will be adding 10% hike. So 10% hike, how can I find out? So salary into, so this is salary into 10, salary into 10 divided by 100 I have to write. So what it will do, guys, basically for original salary over here it will add this 10% hike. So salary into 10 divided by 100 means 10% hike. So if they want a 10% deduction, then just change this sign to minus. Okay, so if you change this plus to minus, then it will be like salary with 10% deduction. So whatever percentage they will be changing, just change here. If they ask for 10% hike, write 10 here. If they want 25% hike, write 25. All things will be remaining same, guys. Salary plus salary into star 10 divided by 100. So it is just like salary plus salary into a divided by 100. So whatever the number they will be giving, just replace it with the help of a. Yes, got it, guys? Yeah. Okay, now I can write the query. So if you are getting confused, okay, all right. So name, salary and salary with a hike of 10%. So I want to display name. First one I will select employee name, select ename. After that I want to display salary. After that I want to display salary with a hike of 10%. So I will be writing sal plus sal. Okay, so into 10 divided by 100, and I will be giving alias name. So what I can do, hiked salary. Okay, so whatever you want to give, you can just give, guys. Just I am using one word there, hiked salary, and I will write from EMP as usual. So if I write like this, you can see I'm getting employee name. After that I'm getting salary, and with that I'm getting one more column, that is hiked salary. So which is calculated something like this: salary into salary plus salary into 10 divided by 100. Yes, got it? Yeah. Okay, so next question, guys, that is basically the fifth one, I think. Write a query to display name and salary with deduction of 25%. See, simple it is, guys. Just I want to deduct 25% from the salary. So I will write select. Okay, so select employee name, ename, select ename. After that salary, and I want to deduct. That means I have to write salary minus salary into, okay, so 25 divided by 100. So this will be deducting the 25% salary. So I can write alias name as deducted salary. I'll write it as deducted salary and take this information from EMP table. So if I display the things, then you can see employee name, salary and deducted salary. After deduction, what will be the salary? Yes. Okay, so I'll write clear screen, and let us move ahead to the Sixth question. Write a query to display name and salary with monthly hike of 50. So this is pretty much simple, guys. Just I have to add 50 rupees to the monthly salary. So I will write select employee name comma salary plus 50. I will write. So okay, so alias name I will give something like this, salary with monthly hike of 50, something like this I will give, guys. And I need to fetch this data from employee table. Yes, so employee name salary with monthly hike of 50 rupees or something like this I will display. Yes, pardon. After that, the next question is write a query to display name and salary with deduction of 10%. Now I want deduction. So select employee name. After that, salary. So they are asking for name and salary. So in second salary itself I want to deduct the things. So salary minus salary into 10% deduction. Then I'll write like this. Okay, so deducted salary I will write, and from I have to take EMP. Okay, so from EMP I have to display. So employee name and deducted salary, like this I can just display, guys. So eighth one, write a query to display total salary given to each employee, salary plus commission. See this, guys, it is very important question. Okay, so normally these kind of questions are kind of tricky, so you will not get output for this one, guys, and I will show you why. Okay, so what I need to display is write a query to display total salary given to each employee. So the total salary in the sense salary plus the commission. Okay, so it is pretty much simple for writing, guys. Okay, so I'll just clear the screen once, clear screen, and I will display the table. Select star from EMP. So this is displaying my table, and note that this is the commission column, and for all employees who are not having commission. Now I will solve my query. Select, what they are asking is, so write a query to display total salary. So they are asking for total salary, that means salary plus commission I want to display. So this is basically total salary. So writing alias is optional, guys, you can write, otherwise you can leave, but for good practice I'm just writing it as writing in the alias form. So from EMP I have to fetch this data. So if I write like this, then you can see I'm getting output for only few rows here. Okay, so for few rows or for few names. So there are totally four persons who are having commission. First one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So fourth one, in fact, it is having 0 as the commission, but still it is displaying the salary. For others, it is not displaying the salary. This is because of undefined rows, guys. So here for first one, that is clerk, the Smith, his job is clerk and his salary is 800. For him, I have not defined the commission. So if I don't define here, then it will be undefined. So it will be adding undefined plus 800, and it will be undefined again. So that's why it is not displaying anything in this one. So how to overcome this one, I will be explaining in later classes, guys. So just stick with me. Okay, so in upcoming sessions, in theory sessions, I will be discussing how to overcome this one. So you can give one suggestion like, why don't you store 0 in place of this undefined? But 0 is also consuming some memory, guys, and it is a memory loss. So that's why we have got another beautiful way of solving this one. So I know how to store the data, then I will be finding some way to retrieve the data properly without wastage of memory. So as a database engineer, you shouldn't be wasting any memory. So as much as possible, you have to save the memory. So that thing will be done with the help of some different operators are there. So we'll see later, guys. Okay, so for now, just understand this. If the commission column is having some value, then for them total salary will be displayed, and the employees for whom the commission is undefined, the salary will be undefined if we add salary and commission. Got it? Yes. Right. Ninth question, write a query to display details of all the employees along with annual salary. So I want to display all the details along with. If there is a word like along with in your query, then you have to go for emp.star form. So what I can write is select, okay, so emp dot star, and after that along with that I want annual salary into 12, and alias name is annual salary, and I need to select this thing from EMP table. So if I hit enter, then you can see here I'm getting all the details, and there is one extra column called annual salary, and it is getting displayed over here. So this is it guys about 9th question. I'll clear the screen and now go to the 10th question and last question of this session. Write a query to display name and designation along with 100 penalty in salary. So I want name and designation. So I will write select employee name, and designation means basically job, and in salary I have to give 100 as the penalty, that means salary minus 100. So I will write one alias salary with penalty. Okay, so salary with penalty I'm displaying, and I need to fetch this data from EMP table. Okay, so employee name, job, and salary with the penalty. So particularly Smith was having 800 as his salary, and 100 has been deducted, and only 700 is displayed over here. So that you can just cross check guys. Select star from EMP, select star from EMP. If I write, then you can see Smith's salary is 800, and here I'm displaying 700. That means 100 has been deducted as the penalty. So I'm getting the correct output. Okay, so these are the next 10 questions guys, right? So in my next session I will be solving another 10 questions, and for 10 not 10 15 questions we will be solving, and these are the questions guys basically. So in part 3 I will be solving these questions. Okay, so this is almost done I think. Okay, so 21 minutes are already over, so I should end this video over here. So in part 3 we will be solving this one, and if you are new to the channel, please guys do subscribe and support us by liking this video. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.